Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of Microsoft 365 Copilot, your AI-powered productivity assistant, and exploring how it actually works under the hood. Microsoft 365 Copilot combines the power of large language model with your organization's data, like emails, documents, meetings, and chats through the Microsoft Graph. But what makes it truly enterprise ready? When your organization signs up for Microsoft 365, it automatically gets a dedicated tenant. This tenant lives within Microsoft's secure cloud environment, allowing Copilot to access and work with your company's data safely. This data includes information that the user can access, including their activities and the content they create and interact within Microsoft 365 apps. Microsoft 365 Copilot is designed as a shared service, meaning it operates across multiple Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, Outlook, Teams, and leverages the same infrastructure and security model as other Microsoft 365 services. This diagram is spot on, and I'll walk you through it with a quick demo. As you can see, Copilot doesn't access anything stored locally on the user's device. Instead, it securely connects to cloud-based services like Exchange, Teams, SharePoint, and OneDrive to gather the information it needs. The Microsoft 365 Service Boundary is a secure, isolated environment where your organization's data is stored, processed, and protected. When you use Copilot, all interactions like prompts, responses, and accessed data are handled within this boundary, ensuring that your data never leaves your tenant. No data is shared with other organizations or used to train AI models. Security, compliance, and privacy policies already set by your organization are automatically applied.
Hello guys, this is a very small demonstration to show you that the Copilot doesn't have a access in your desktop. So any file stored in your desktop, Copilot do not have access. Okay, so I'll show you. This is my desktop, and here you can see desktop document. Okay, and now this is my OneDrive, and here you can see OneDrive document. Okay, now I have one opened document. Okay, and here I can try to fetch any of the files. Let's check to which file the Copilot has access. So let's first try desktop. See, the Copilot doesn't have any access to my files which are stored in desktop. And if I will look for OneDrive, see, OneDrive, it has access. All right, thank you guys.
How user prompts works and how Copilot responses. Step 1. Input prompt. You provide a prompt. This could be a question, command, or request. Example, summarize this document, or preparing taking points for my meeting. Step 2. Pre-processing with grounding. Copilot pre-processes your prompt using a technique called grounding. This means it enriches the prompt with contextual data from your Microsoft 365 environment to make the response more accurate and relevant. Grounding includes user-specific context, your identity token, session history, and what you are doing in the app. Microsoft Graph data, emails, chats, documents, meetings, and calendar entries that you have permission to access. Grounding ensures Copilot doesn't rely on generic internet data. It uses your organization's data to tailor responses. Step 3. Microsoft Graph Access. Copilot accesses Microsoft Graph, a real-time index of your organization's data, to retrieve relevant information. This includes files stored in OneDrive or SharePoint, emails and chats from Outlook and Teams, meeting details, and calendar events. Only data that you are authorized to access is used. Copilot respects Microsoft 365 role-based access controls, conditional access, and MFA policies. Step 4. LLM processing. The enriched prompt is sent to a large language model LLM hosted in Azure OpenAI service, and this is not OpenAI's public models. The LLM generates a response based on the grounded prompt. Step 5. Post-processing and delivery. Copilot may perform additional grounding or checks, example security, compliance, privacy, before returning the response to you in the app. Copilot user access and data privacy. Copilot uses the same MFA features you configure for your tenant. With MFA, like all Microsoft 365 services, users must provide multiple forms of verification before they are allowed to access Copilot. If your tenant is using security defaults, then MFA is enabled by default. If MFA isn't enabled, then Microsoft recommends enabling MFA. Alright guys, if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech explainers. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.